Today we're going to change this tire, take it off this rim, using nothing more than C-clamps to break the bead, wire ties to put the tire on. Put your C-clamp on the sidewall of the tire. Make sure that once you start tightening it down that you're not tightening down on your rim on the back here.
Or either side.
On either side. So this is one I use for my back tire. Notice how smooth it works because it gets used a lot here lately. But if you ain't got a fancy tire machine,
well, now is when you need that that other little thing. You can get that.
Ah, that's it. It broke. If you're only using one C-clamp, when you get one side broke, swap over to the other side and turn the tire over. Go 180 degrees away. Because where it breaks the bead at is on the screw end of the clamp, not the frame part of the clamp. It's a screw end that will pull it down. Wire ties, zip ties. We call them wire ties because we use them to tie up wire.
Yeah, I got you.
You know, cops call them handcuffs.
So you've never done this before?
Never. And
You've seen it on TV.
to make it even harder, I didn't sleep at a Holiday Inn last night. All right. Now, if you can get this right here, it's black on black, but you can see that right there. That's that wire tie.
You screwdriver or something to get it out of there?
All right. We had to resort to needle nose to get it out because my fingers are too fat. Okay, we've got 5 wire ties holding the tire on. And if you can see it, I don't know if you can see it with the camera, but
Looks very loose.
you can see the space right there. And it does look very loose, and I think I might be able to get this sucker off. But like I said, I've never done this before. I've just seen it done on the internet, and we all know about that. So
What tool are you using there? Your hands and your knees.
hands and knees and back.
Need a friendly foot? Now that you got a big head start, you should be able to do what you're trying to do, right? Yeah. we can cut the we can cut the spoons out. I can edit that so smooth that you'll never even know. The bead's all dry. You're fighting that rubber.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Stand on it. Ooh. That was impressive to see that. That was impressive to see that. Just pop off like that.
It does make it a lot easier. I mean, no shit. It makes it a lot easier. All right. Now. Soak it water. Yeah. Yeah.
Why not?
It dissolves the rubber. Makes it soft.
Now that is pretty impressive.
Slip, fall, bust.
That's impressive, man.
Yes! I am the tar master.
Everything else made you look like an idiot, but that was impressive.
Gee, thanks, Don. Well, it takes muscle to do it. It's a pain, but you're not going to mar your rim any. And if you want to save yourself $20, we've been out here for a little over an hour, goofing off and stuff. Probably spent 40 minutes, actually 30 to 40 minutes actually working on it. And this is the first time that I've tried it this way. So, like I said, if you think you can do it, give it a try. Get the long wire ties. The only thing I would change would be to, instead of get these little narrow ones like this, they make them fatter. I would get the fatter ones. And should go to town on it.
So you do it again?
Yeah. Oh, I will be doing it again.
Okay.
Because this one right here will pick up a nail and, you know, in the next 3,000 or 4,000 miles. You can't do it. The one thing I do see is you can't do it on a tube tire because there's no way to get the tube in. Because you got both of your beads are now inside the rim. So you can't get your tube in and lay it in. You ain't got enough room. Tubeless tires, this works. Tube tires, it won't.